Okay, good evening from Hackensack. This is Victor. I'm making a homemade pasta sauce tonight with sardines, anchovies, tuna, and some wild salmon. And the reason I'm making this video is to alert you to the sharpness of this blade that you normally use in the food processor of this Ninja machine, which I bought from Costco several years ago. Instead of using this, which is so sharp that it's almost impossible not to cut yourself when you're cleaning it, I use the much duller plastic blade that's intended for dough, and it does a fine job incorporating all the canned fish into the tomato puree and the other tomatoes I use in the sauce. So watch out for this really sharp Ninja blade. I'm surprised they can even sell this thing. I'd imagine a lot of people have injured themselves. And if you know what's good for you, you'd use the much duller blade that's intended for dough. Okay, here it goes. So all the fish I'm using is incorporated into the tomato puree, and then I'm going to be adding more tomato puree and perhaps some organic diced tomatoes. I'm going to make enough sauce for 2 dinners of complete 1 pound spaghetti. Enjoy.